All right. So this is Dr. Hughes, and this is his very first adjustment with us today. So he's coming in for some neck and back pain all the way out of Atlanta, right?
Ja.
Ja, genau. And he speaks German. How cool is that? Alrighty, so you said you're good with manual adjustments all up and down? Fantastic. Let me have you drop your arms down off the sides there. Perfect. Just working through these rhomboids a little bit. Kind of deeper muscles of the back. You doing okay with that pressure? Fabulous. Great. I'm going to lower your head piece down a little bit. Perfect. What do you do to this right side?
I don't know. Ich weiß nicht.
Ich auch nicht. Alrighty, Doc, I'm just going to turn your head to the side here. Doing alright there? Perfect. Wonderful. Oh, good one.
Que delícia.
Fabulous. And we're going to tilt your head to the other side. Oh, the other side was tighter earlier. Good. Good. Alright, you can go ahead and pick your hands back up. And we'll lower you down. You got this hip and you got something on the other side on the low back. We'll start with that hip. You can roll on your side towards me this way. Raise that up a little bit there. Perfect. And you've had this move before because I can see you're already getting set up. Just relax your shoulder for me. Perfect. I'm going to bend this knee. Good. You doing all right there? You've had the pretzel move, right? Yeah. Fabulous. Good. Stretch it out a little bit here and get you to relax. You okay? Wonderful. All right, and you can roll towards your other side.
Okay.
Fabulous. Need to work on loosening those hamstrings a little bit. Do you stretch? More or less? Because you see you always did like a flip on the table.
Like, nicht oder Woche.
Okay.
I try to though.
Yeah.
But more recently I started.
Well, you're supposed to be relaxing this week too, so it won't be too hard on you. Doing okay? Good. So when do you guys leave?
As soon as you get done.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm dead serious.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna get in the car and it's in the car? Or are you guys flying?
No, we're driving.
Oh yeah, you said that. Oh my goodness. How long were you guys here for?
Monday.
Monday?
Montag.
Montag. Super hot. Well, you guys had some pretty good weather. It rained a couple times, but
More than a couple.
well, that's Florida. I think it rains every day. Get this way. All right. Let's see. Let me have you come down towards your feet a little bit. Scooch down. Perfect. All right. And then I'm going to have you bend your knees up. Take your hands. You got to give yourself a hug.
Oh, okay.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Isn't that exciting? When's the last time you did that?
Like leaving me.
Exactly. Yeah. Leave me. All right. What I'm going to do is roll you over towards me. Slide my hand underneath it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay? Probably seen that one before.
Yeah. Surprised you get that little cube thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, some people use the little thing, yeah. Have you had that used before? Tuck your chin to your chest for me. Perfect. Keep it tucked. Just relax. Let me do all the work. I got you. I won't let you fall. Let's do that one more time. We gotta work on that hug. Hold tight for me.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Tuck your chin. Just relax. And you can relax. I'm telling you, it's all in the hug, you know. Alright. Just gonna work through these muscles a little bit more here. Well, you guys should stop off in Savannah. And if you do, you should go to River Street. They have lots of good restaurants. And we have a Savannah Sweets shop where you can get free praline samples, and they are amazing.
Really? Okay.
Really, really. Don't want to create a new addiction for you or anything. You know? You doing okay with that pressure?
I can go deeper. It's fine.
Oh, okay, perfect. That's what I like to hear. Helps to take some pressure off your neck. Those muscles relax. Helps support that normal curve. Alrighty, Dr. Hughes. Vielen Dank.